Guys, so today I will be doing a quick little review for Clawed slimes. I'll link everything in the description. You can find them on Etsy and Instagram. So to begin, my package came in this nice and secure priority mail box, and it also had a ton of bubble wrap and tissue paper, but I've already opened the package, so that's why stuff is just kind of everywhere. So there is this cute little baggie of extras, and there's a lot of fun heart confetti at the bottom, and it says Clawed slimes. Inside there's a baggie of borax, which I've actually already used to reactivate the slime, and there is a card with their information. We also included some candy. All right, so I have 3 large slimes, and then I also have these 2 mini extras. I'm gonna go ahead and show the extras. This first one right here is like this cute, like fairy pale pink slime with shimmer in it. I really like this slime. It's a really pretty, like, iridescent, really soft pink slime, and it is really glossy and clicky. Alrighty, so the next slime I have here, included as a little mini extra, is some Phloem. This is just a plain white one, which is fun because if you want to do anything, you can always add color, add some more stuff to it. By the way, both of these bonus slimes smell so amazing. And next I have this one, which I believe is like a fishbowl slime. It's called Star Soda. Just put the slime back in the container, and I'd like to note how full it is, so definitely give you all the slime. Next, this is called Chocolate Milkshake. Okay, so this slime is just so glossy and clicky. I can't get over it. It's pretty awesome. The consistency is just right. You can see how glossy it is. There's like reflections in it. And finally, this is called Pink Velvet, and this one is a cloud slime. And there are some little heart sprinkles or confetti. Really love the texture of this. It's just really unique. It can be very firm, yet it is very light and airy. So I love it. And the color as well is super cute, and it smells amazing. All of these slimes smell so good. Overall, these slimes are also amazing, and these baby ones are so much fun as well. And I love the packaging and the labels. Everything is really cute and high quality, so definitely check out Claude Slimes. I'll link it in the description.